Okay, welcome back. So now when we have learned how to create data sheet and enter data, now let's remove this hypothetical data and enter data according to our, actually define variables according to our questionnaire. To remove some data in data view, you can simply select it, then right click and choose clear. It will be cleared. And to remove some variable, you can again select the variable, right click and choose clear. It will be cleared. Okay. Now let's have a look at our questionnaire. So this is a questionnaire, okay, which has been used to collect data from respondents, and that data we will be using in this tutorial. This is, as the name, you can see the name, knowledge management and firm performance, role of employee, innovative job performance. The student who collected data using this questionnaire actually created a Google form to collect data, and that is why this questionnaire in the Word format is not very well formatted, but it is good enough for us. So you can see there is a section of demographics in which age, gender, qualification, organization name, designation, which has multiple options, industry structure, total work experience. Then in the next section we have knowledge management scale. Okay, this is a Likert point scale which has 5 possible responses. This construct acquiring, application, sharing. These are the subconstructs of knowledge management. Then there is innovative job performance scale, which has many questions, and again it is a Likert scale, and which has 7 options. Okay, and then finally we have innovative firm performance scale, which has 5 options. Okay. Now we can create variables according to this questionnaire. Okay, so the first variable is age. Okay, now let's go to this and let's create this variable age. Its type is numeric, obviously. Its label is age, and the measurement scale is scale. Okay, this is not nominal or ordinal level data, but it is scale data. Okay, after creating this variable, we can simply press Ctrl S to save this progress. Okay, now let's go back to the questionnaire and see and have a look at the next question, which is gender. Okay, which has 2 possible values, male and female, and this is again data type numeric. Label is gender, and we can have these, we can create values, 1 for male and 2 for female. But again, this data is actually not scale, but this is ordinal level or nominal level data. Okay. And now let's go back to more questions, and this is qualification. Okay, qualification is bachelor, masters, others. Explain. Okay, we can enter this as qualification or qualification. This is again numeric, or okay, we have qualification. And we are not actually specifying values for this, or we can specify values. Let's specify the values. This could be, no, actually we cannot, because you see there is an option other, so there might be multiple number, or there might be multiple responses which we cannot which we do not know yet. Okay, so we do not specify, let's not specify values, and also change its type to string. Okay, and again this is nominal level of measurement. Okay, next, organization name. Okay, org name, org underscore name. This is again this will be a string, and this will be a string type of variable. Let's write organization name in label, and we cannot specify values, and again this is nominal level of measurement. Okay, the designation, there are three possible options. Let's see this. Designation, we will choose the numeric type, and this is its label is also designation, and then we can here specify values. One for, let's see, what are the options? Senior management, one for senior management, add, two for middle management, two for what? Middle management, add, and three for junior management. Three for that's junior management. Okay, we will add these and press OK, and we will specify again this is not ordinal. Okay, this is nominal level of measurement. We'll save this progress again. Okay, let's go back. Then there are industry sector. Okay, I am not industry. Okay, let's call this sec. Remember that we cannot have spaces in name. Okay, and we can also, this is a numeric type of variable. We want to make it numeric. No, we cannot make it numeric because it has again another option. Okay, let's keep it that way. Okay, we will make this as a string variable, and we are not specifying any values for this just now. Okay, we'll see later if we need to, and if we need to, we will specify values. Okay, work experience. Okay, we can call this experience, and this is numeric variable, and this is work experience, and this will be a scale variable. Okay, this is what this up till now what we have done. We had done this earlier, and you were probably familiar with it, but now we are going to do something new. Now we have actual constructs. Okay, this knowledge management is one of our constructs, which has further sub-constructs. I mean, acquisition, application, sharing. So together these three make knowledge management. Okay, and within each there are, I mean, under acquisition or acquiring, there are 4 questions. Okay, so let's call these questions. Okay, we cannot have these questions as names of variables, so we need to come up with names for these variables. Okay, and this is the question relating to acquisition, so we can call ACQ1, we can call this ACQ2, ACQ3, ACQ4. Okay, let's do it. ACQ1, which means acquisition 1. This is a numeric variable. Okay, and in label we will enter the full question. We will copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, and then in values we will specify the values: strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. Okay, value 1 for strongly disagree, value 1 for strongly disagree. Okay, value 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree, and we will have value 5 for strongly agree. Okay, fine, and now we can specify the measurement level as scale. Okay, now the second question, ACQ acquisition 2. Okay, this is again numeric, or you can have it as categorical, very numeric. We will copy the full question from here, and then we will enter it here. Okay, okay, for values, now these are this question has the same possible values, so we can simply copy this, control C and control V. Okay, so the same values that we can copy from, once we have entered it here, we can copy it for other questions. Okay, and then ACQ 3 numeric, again you can see I will copy this question and then the same we can I have copied, okay, now I have copied these values and I can paste them here. Okay, I will specify the value. Okay, now you will do the same for remaining questions. Okay, there are many questions. I will rename this. I will give this question a name APP or APP1, APP2, APP3, APP4, APP5. And for sharing questions for the subconstruct sharing, I can call them share 1, share 2, share 3, share 4, and then I will specify their values. Similarly, in job involvement scale, I can call it job involve, and then these questions will be job involve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can specify a different set of values for these questions. And when I specify these values against one question, I can copy it for the rest. Okay, then I will go for the innovative job performance scale, and I will call it in performance. Okay, or whatever, a good descriptive name. I will give it a good descriptive name. Okay, since that is going to take a while, so we'll end our video here, and I will do that, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next in the next video.